But this also applies to live performance.
Yeah.
I think one of the mistakes that many musicians make is, and again, you don't have to know all of the technical language about this, but going into a live situation and just expecting that the sound engineer is going to get it right without your input. No, the first thing you should do is go introduce yourself to the sound engineer, both the house engineer and the monitor stage engineer. Introduce yourself to them and say, hey, this is what I like, this is what I need. What can we work with that? And right away that changes everything. They will work with you because they know what you like, what you don't like, what you prefer. See if they have the kind of microphones you like, what you have in your monitor. Don't just go up on the stage and start playing and blowing and say, hey, it's too loud. Hey, there are too many highs. Hey, ah. I've seen that so many times and it's like, oh man, oh, here we go. You know, you want to create a good working vibe right away because they're going to help you to get the sound you want.